How to see the most recent followers on Instagram. Open the Instagram app and tap on your profile icon in the lower right corner of the screen. Once you are on your profile page, look at the top, where you will see two sections, Following and Followers. Tap on Followers to open the list of accounts that follow you. In this list, Instagram automatically sorts your followers with the most recent ones at the top. This means that the first few accounts you see are the ones that have followed you most recently. As you scroll down, you will see older followers, and if you go all the way to the bottom, you will find your very first followers. This is how Instagram organizes your followers, from newest to oldest. However, if you want to check someone else's most recent followers, Instagram does not provide this information in the same way. When you visit another user's profile and tap on their followers list, Instagram does not display their most recent followers at the top. Instead, the accounts shown are based on Instagram's algorithm, which recommends profiles that it thinks you may be interested in following. That is how you can check your most recent followers on Instagram.